In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to files in Monday.com. Whether you're collaborating on projects, needing feedback, or just keeping track of important notes, adding comments to files can streamline your workflow and improve team communication. Let's dive into the simple steps to make this happen efficiently. First things first, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board that contains the file you'd like to comment on. This platform is designed to keep everything organized, and finding your way around should be straightforward. Once you're on your board, look through the list of files and find the one that you wish to engage with. It's all about having the file you want to discuss right in front of you. After you have your file in sight, the next step is opening it. To do this, simply click on the file. You might be checking details, reviewing the content, or assessing what you've already done. Whatever your intention for viewing the file, ensuring it's open is key. Upon opening the file, you will notice a toolbar running down the right side of your screen. This toolbar is an essential feature, giving you access to various functions related to the file. Now, focus on the option labeled Comments. Clicking on this will open up the Comments section. This section acts as a digital sticky note space, giving you the freedom to view and leave notes for yourself or your team. In the Comments section, you can browse through any existing comments others have made on the file. This is helpful for understanding the progress, gathering insights, and witnessing the history of discussions related to this particular document. Seeing these comments can provide valuable context and possibly answer some questions you might have had. Now it's your turn to contribute. Adding your own comment is just as easy. Look for the comment input box. Simply type in your thoughts, feedback, or questions related to the file. Remember, clarity is key, so aim to be as specific as possible to avoid any confusion for others who might read your notes. Once you've composed your comment, don't forget to submit it. This will ensure your input is saved and visible to those who share access to the file. And there you have it. You've just added a comment to a file in Monday.com. These comments are not just notes. They serve as a vital communication tool, helping everyone stay in sync and collaborate more effectively. Whether you're giving input on a design, asking for clarification on a report, or just sharing your thoughts, this simple feature can enhance your project management experience. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your use of Monday.com and other productivity tools.